Crazy bunch doing daily vlogs, pranks, rants, follow along. Betray you, gets into every song. The little daredevil doing what he longs. Leland, trying to follow in his footsteps. Very loving and very complex. The Babs himself, the crazy one, doing off the wall things just for fun. Aaron the mommy, keeping them in line. The brains of the operation, making them shine. All together, one loving family. Subscribe to join, and you will see, yeah.
What are you doing? Yeah? What are you doing? You going out there too? Yeah? Hey, what's going on, you guys? So we're here at the park again. That's nice because, like I said, they're getting their energy out, and as you can hear, he's screaming. But yeah, they're getting their energy out. I mean, it was cool because they we're having a good day. They helped me clean today. You know, they're not fighting today. They're hugging and loving each other, and now they get rewarded for going to the park. I might get them an ice cream too. Don't tell them, okay? All right, here you go, Treyu. What are you doing? Yeah, you're just a monkey man, huh? Monkey. You got it?
I did. Whoa, dude. Ow.
Yeah, so most of our footage right now is probably going to be at the park from now on. I don't know, I might try to find a different park to go to so they have bigger toys, but it's a lot of fun. I got to put Leland on the slide because he won't go by himself. So I'll see you guys in just a second. Uh-oh.
Whoa.
Yeah, whoa. Uh-oh. Hey, watch out. Don't do that, buddy. Hey, Leland, it's okay. Hey, look it. Boo. Bah. Boop. Pew. Pew. Is that funny? Yeah. Let's see if Leland can do it too. Go on, you can do it.
How?
Put your foot up. Do your next foot. No, Trey, get down. Trey, get back up there so you can do it. You're okay, Leland. Go. Go on. You can do it. No, you leave him. Let him do it by himself. You can do it, Leland. Try you. Let him do it by himself. You can do it. There you go. There you go. You're almost there. Yay! Good job!
I do.
Yay! Good job, dude. That was cool. Give me a high five. High five. Yeah, give me a knuckle. Oh, Leland's gonna get hit in the head. I can see it. Oh. Uh-oh.
Oh.
Go get your brother. Go get your brother. Go get him. Go get him. It's so funny how they run. You know, it's so funny how he runs. I don't know. I think it's hilarious. Hilarious. Uh-oh. You okay? Uh-oh. You hit your head. I knew it was going to happen sometime. Here, where's Yowies? Oh, that's nasty. Look at this, you guys. Let me see your head. He just hit his head on the bars. Uh-oh. You okay? You okay? Wow. Tough little kid, man. He's gonna be a little boxer. He can take a punch from a steel bar. Too much? Was that fun? Was that fun? Oh yeah, it's garbage, huh? Here, let me see the garbage. There you go. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, sit down. Sit down. Wee. Okay, while they're doing that, I'm gonna go up and go down the slide and scare them. This is gonna be fun. All right, here we go. Here we go. They have no idea what's gonna happen. This is awesome. Woo! What's the matter? Oh no, you can't get by me. You can't get by me. Oh, does that tickle? Tell me that tickles. Huh? Does that tickle just a little bit? Huh? Let me know if that tickles. Does that tickle? Does that tickle? Does that tickle? Huh? Does that tickle? Yeah, tickle? Give me knuckles. Do rock on. Do rock on. Rock on. Give me knuckles first. There you go. Up. Come on, Leland. Good job. Go down the side. Lay down. Lay down backwards. Bye-bye. You okay?
I did.
Come on. Come up here. You gonna make it? You made it all the way. High five. Go. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mom.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, Mommy.
Say hi, YouTube. All right, here he comes at the slide. There he is. Come on, you can make it. You can make it. Come on, come on. You can do it. Good job. Good job. High five. Whee! So we're sitting here, we're watching yesterday's vlog, and Trey's absolutely loving it. Watch. He squirted me in the face naturally. I was, damn. Hold on, which slide are you gonna go down? Which one? Who is that?
Me.
Hey, do it again. This time you're gonna hold the camera. Come on. Come on. He's loving this, man. Oh, you okay? Alright, hold on. Now, Daddy, go first. Come here. Here, hold the camera. Watch what he does. Hold it. I told him to come down with the camera and watch what he does. I go down the slide. And he throws it. Go down the slide. No, you can get it later. Down right after me. So yeah, he wants to throw the camera down the slide. So I don't think I'm gonna do it. Kind of scared me. You doing it too, Leland? Do it again, Leland. Do it. Crack Daddy's back. Good job, Leland. Oh. Jump. Jump, Leland. Leland. Jump. Woo. That's where you go. Woo. We're gonna go to the park again. Erin's getting up and she's gonna get dressed and go with us. And a little fussy fart, Oh yeah.
Jeez.
Yeah, let's get your shoes on. So we're gonna have a little bit more fun. I saw another play area kind of thing on the other side of the park. So we'll see if that's gonna be a good choice for us or not. It seems a little bit bigger, but we'll check it out. And they might have a new place to play. So that's okay. I gotta go eat. I gotta get his shoes on. I gotta make him stop crying. Having kids. So much fun, but so much work. Okay, now I can film and I can get everything nice and clear. Do it again. Come on, monkey boy. Good job, monkey boy. Go down the slide. Good job, monkey boy. Watch out. Mommy, he's trying to tell you something.
What?
Leland's right there. Give him hugs. Brotherly love, how cute.
Okay. Leland! Woo! Hey, Leland! Leland!
Oh! What's so funny? You're beating me up. You missed.
Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. Oh! You got Daddy in the butt.
Oh. Okay, all done. Alright, so we're done at the park. As you can see, I'm kind of sweating. I'm tired. We're gonna go get some milk and cook some dinner. And I think I'm gonna do a little bit of time lapse today. I don't know what song I should put to it. TFB maybe, or something. But it's gonna be a lot of fun, you guys. And leave me a comment down in the comment section below and tell me what you guys think we should do next. That's something I'm trying to do. So if you guys can tell me what you guys want us to do next, we'll do it. We'll have some fun and we'll do it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna head to the store and I'll talk to you guys in just a little bit. Bye bye.
So every time we go out, at least one person asks if the boys are twins. Are you guys twins? No. They're like a year apart. They look so similar, I guess, that people ask them. But Atreyu's a lot bigger than Leland, so I don't see how they could think that they were twins. But maybe because they look alike, I don't know.
Okay, so I'm sitting in a bedroom and I'm smelling something fantastic. And it's... Stop screaming. Stop that screaming. Stop that screaming. Okay, anyway, so I'm smelling something fantastic and Erin's cooking this. What is it called?
Mediterranean chicken, and I added mushrooms.
Oh,
It's so good.
oh my god. If you guys... I wish I had smell-o-vision right now. I wish I had smell-o-vision or you guys can get like a little scratch sniff card and scratch and smell what I'm smelling because it's fantastic. Look at that spaghetti face again. He likes spaghetti. Little tiny butthead. Oh my god, look at that. My mouth is watering. It's like...
And we don't have anybody here. No friends or nothing, so it's kind of weird.
Yeah, usually when we cook like this, we have friends over. And, but this is fantastic. Oh, that's fucking good. Oh my god, that's good.
Bit me.
Alright, I'm gonna go eat. Bye. So guess what I'm doing right now, you guys?
Painting toes.
All set.
And we got 1 foot done.
Every float in the parade is computer controlled. The lighting has to stay in synchronization with the music. Music has to be
On to the next foot. And 2nd foot done.
for an entire platoon.
How do you guys like them? I like them. I think they're pretty neat. Oh man, I wonder how much hate I'm gonna get for this. So leave it in the comments below what you guys think of my pink toes. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. All you guys have to do is click that subscribe button right there in the middle. You can subscribe to my channel, or you can click on yesterday's videos right there and go ahead and see what happened yesterday if you guys didn't see it already. And I appreciate it. Follow us along on our everyday journey, and let's do this, man. We have a lot of fun stuff coming up, right? See you guys soon. Bye-bye.
I'm taking over, I'm taking over.